Student, today we are going to start next chapter, that is equation. Before the starting of equation, first we have to know about that how this equation will make. Okay, beta. From the making of the equation, first we are going for the balancing. They have two sides. Okay, all the assets written this side and all liabilities this side, and capital. Okay, beta. Capital and liabilities written this side, assets written this side. Okay. In this assets, two parts are there. One is current assets and one is the non-current. Already you know about that. The assets which is utilized for the long period of business is non-current. The assets which utilize short period in the business, that is the current. Okay. In liability, same things. The liability is utilized for long period. Non-current utilized for short period, less than 12 months, current. And then capital. And then we are adding this capital, add profit less loss less drawing. Okay, beta? This and this total will equal to this side. Okay, beta? This total is equal to this side. By that your formula made assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. So beta, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. That will making by the balance sheet only. Because in the balance sheet, two sides is there. One is asset side, second is liability side. And both sides will equal for the assets and liabilities and capital, by which we are going to make this formula. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. That formula is assets is equal to capital plus liability. Okay. It means if we are taking the total assets, then it will be equal to the capital plus liabilities. Okay. Clear? It's a line to just understand. They have two sides. Okay. Both sides 10 kg, 10 kg. You know, well about Taraju. Taraju, you know? Yes. And if you want to both sides equal, so if you are interested this side something to show and certain interested this side more. Okay, same things. Or take out from this side or take from this side, then both sides will equal. Okay, it means all the transactions or all the things will affecting both sides. Okay, beta, will affecting both sides. Same way, if you want to enter anything here, and again same thing is out from there, then this both sides will equal. These are the way by which we are going to equal the equation. Okay. As like assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Anything adding assets to sure and certain the same things are same value will add on the liability side, or anything less from the asset side to same value from less from the liability side, then both sides is equal. Or asset side any value is added and same value less from the asset side also, then both sides is equal. Or capital side, liability side, 10,000 add and 10,000 less, then both value are equal. As like that, if this side 1 lakh, 1 lakh. If you are adding this side 10,000 to same value 10,000, add that side, then both sides will equal, beta. Okay. Same way, less 10,000 from this side or 10,000 less from that side also, then both sides is equal. Or 10,000 add and 10,000 add on same side, then both sides is equal. It's a funda of equation. Okay. Now we are going to see some transactions which are affecting the side are assets and liabilities. First, we are talking about purchase. Okay, and purchase in a two-way, cash, credit. If you are going to purchase, so two-way you can purchase. One is the cash and second is the credit base. If you are purchase on cash base, it means cash will less, na beta. It means cash less, and you are purchase the goods or furniture or assets that will add. It means if you are purchase the anything or goods or services anything, so cash will less and assets and goods will add. If you are purchase on credit, so no effect on cash, goods plus and assets plus, but plus is creditor also. Okay, you are purchasing on credit, you will make the creditor. Okay, clear? Second, sell. Again same, cash and credit. If you are purchasing cash, so cash will add. You are going to sell on cash, so cash will beta. Cash will add and goods and assets will less. You are just selling your goods and assets. That will less and your cash will increase. Plus on credit, again goods and assets less, but debtor increase. Okay, you are selling on credit, then debtor. You are purchasing on credit, then creditor. Clear? Just like you are going to sell or anything, so you are receiving cash, na beta. So cash will increase and goods assets will decrease. Third, profit, income, capital and cash. Both are added in capital and cash. Loss, expense, both are less from capital and cash. Okay, beta, it's like a rule. You can remember these things as a rule for making of equation. Okay, if you are going to purchasing anything in cash, so cash will less and that goods are assets will add. On credit, the goods or assets will add, but creditor will make credit side. Okay, beta. Sell, then goods and services less and cash will add. On credit, the goods and services less, but debtor will add. Any type of expense or loss, add from the capital and cash, both side, then both side is equal. Any type of income and profit, then less, add from both sides. Okay, you can write this all. Now I am going to present one question. Then how we are presenting this equation? Main thing is that you well understand about this, that equation is affecting how. If you are going to purchase the assets increase, cash less. Going to sell the liability assets, so assets will decrease, cash will add. On credit, to debtor and creditor. So these are the main things that you can understand and then easily solve the question. First character, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities and make the line like that. here we are written the equation number and what equation is given that we are entered, and then one line for the written for all heads. Okay, and then we are looking one by one all transaction effect. Okay, as like that, just keep your mind one question. Take the question number 1 of equation. Business start with the cash of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, business start with the cash of rupees 1 lakh. It means we have the cash data. So write down here cash and here capital, because we start with the cash and capital. So cash, we have cash and capital, and both amount is what? 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh. Okay. Okay, on which way we are presenting? When business start with the cash, so just we are going to make the cash and capital, and then we are present 1 lakh, both side. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Next, what equation is given in the question that we are entered here? Okay, beta? And then that effect we are showing here. Purchase furniture for cash 5,000. Okay, purchase furniture for cash 5,000. Okay, purchase furniture for cash 5,000. Then you are going to purchase furniture for cash 5,000 means you are receiving the furniture. One more assets is coming in the business. So you are going to make one head furniture. One head for furniture, that is 5,000 add, but less from the cash data, because you are going to pay the amount of 5,000 by cash. Okay, you are going to pay the amount of 5,000 by cash, so less from cash, and going to make one furniture, and just see both sides is coming equal. 5,000, 95,000 and 1 lakh. On this way we are going to check. Okay? Just go for the third. Okay? Third is, mainly we have to understand what effect is there and presentation. Okay? Third is, purchase goods from cash 20,000. He is going to purchase goods. Goods is assets. Again, new head is coming, so we are going to present here goods 20,000. Write down here only purchase goods from cash, and that amount less from where? Cash, because we are purchasing in cash. Just see again, both sides is equal or not. Equal, beta. 75, 80, 20, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. That's it. Both sides is equal. Okay. Clear? Then go for the next. Purchase goods from credit 36,000. Now here is not purchasing goods on cash, on credit, but he is purchasing his goods is coming to beta. So add in goods. Purchasing means you are going to purchase more goods on credit. So goods still received, so goods will add, but on credit. So on credit means you are going to make one head on liability side creditor, and creditor amount is 36,000. Just check both sides is equal or not. Equal. Then go for the next. And next is paid rent, they are going to pay the expense. And already I was told us any expense will less from the cash and capital. So beta, cash and capital. After every transaction, we are going to finalize and check both side is coming equal or not. Okay, beta, both side is coming equal or not. So this side 56,000, 5,000, 74, 3, 99, 3, 36. Okay. Then go for the next and last. Goods sold for 40,000 at a profit of 20%. We are going to sell one goods that value is 40,000. So we are paying, we are just giving the goods for 40,000. So we are going to less only 40,000 from here. Because we are giving that goods that value is 40,000. So we are going to less from our stock only 40,000. Okay, beta? But we are selling that goods with the value of 20% profit. So 40,000, 20%, 8,000. It means total amount is receiving what? 48,000. So that will add where? In a cash. 40,000 for the your goods and 8,000 for profit that we are receiving. It means total amount 48,000. 48,000 received. It means add. But 8,000 is profit and profit will add in here in capital. Okay. Then 16,000, 5,000, this side plus 36. On this way we are going to present the equation. Okay, beta? It's not like any question. It's a presentation of the different equation or different transaction effect only. Okay, what transaction is there and what type of effect they are given, that effect we are going to show in the questions. The question is start like that. Business start with the cash of 1 lakh. So cash and capital that we are going to make, both are the 1 lakh. The both side is equal. Then they are going to purchase the assets or furniture for 5,000. Then we are receiving furniture. Furniture is coming in the business. So then we are making one new head furniture 5,000. Then add less and finalize. Then next is the purchase goods from 20,000 in cash. Then new head goods, because we are receiving the goods. So in the business, new head is coming, so new head, goods. So then 20,000 is here, less 20,000 from cash. Again finalize. After the finalize, again purchase goods from 36,000 on credit. You have purchased the goods but on credit. So purchase means you receive the goods. You receive the goods to write on the 36,000, but on credit. So we are going to make the liability side one creditor and add in the creditor. Then next we are going to pay the rent for 700. Any type of expense less from the cash and capital, or any type of income add from cash and capital. So less from cash and capital. Then we are going to sold 40,000 of value of goods in 20% profit. So 40,000, we are giving them only 40,000. Okay, our value is only 40,000, so less from 40,000. But 8,000 is profit. So total amount received 48,000. So total amount received, add in the cash. 8,000 profit, add in the where? In capital. Okay, beta. On this way we are going to solve the questions. Okay, beta. Clear? Okay.